Well, Raghavan Seetharaman is the Chief Executive Officer of Doha Bank, and he joins us now on the webcam. Thank you so much for joining us. I know we've been speaking over the last couple of months, and you've always been optimistic about the region. I wonder whether the unrest that we've seen makes you a lot more cautious about the future for the Middle East.
Well, I think it's an opportunity, as you rightly said in your report, that it is overdone. Really, if you look at the macroeconomic fundamentals, they are very strong economies, commodity-driven. And we have a growth trajectory. Countries like Qatar is going to do not less than 18 to 20%. If you look at the fiscal surplus, current account surplus, investable surplus, visibly they are doing well as economies in blocks. Six countries put together.
There are opportunities, but at the same time, Mr. Seetharaman, we don't really understand how this unrest can pan out. We don't exactly understand if governments are toppled, what will replace them, and we don't know yet when this unrest will stop.
Well, let us distinguish between North Africa, Gulf states. If you look at it, look at the commodity market or currency market, stock market. Stock market today, as en bloc, has taken a batting, not less than 12% en bloc in the last 2 weeks. Essentially, if you look at the price earning multiples, 8 to 9 times, that is cheaper. Take for bond market, Abu Dhabi or Qatar today, the prices are cheap. At the same time, the yield is high.
All right, but you must
getting into it.
You must also think that actually the risks are still bigger than they were when we spoke last month and a half ago.
Well, there is a need for social welfare. Definitely, there are systemic reorganization required in terms of political reforms. And those are accompanying process when it comes to the overall constitutional framework. That is getting done. But if you look at the basic framework in terms of macroeconomic stability, financial stability, these are opportunities in bond market, in, again, commodity market, and
all right,
again...
Mr. Seetharaman, what would you say to investors, international investors, who have, for example, been spooked by the fact that Egypt still has not opened its bourse?
Look at the Gulf market in separation to North Africa. Clearly, look at the segments where you want to invest, whether it is banking or finance, or industries where oil and gas related, you have an opportunity in every form. Look at the sovereign funds. Look at the commodity market. Dubai Gold Commodity Index has gone up 20% in the last 2 months in spite of the crisis. Again, you have to look at the changing market preference. Even people are hedging the currency risk in terms of rupee. Future contracts are getting done because of the overall bilateral trade between India and Gulf.
Yeah, a quite optimistic view, a refreshing view that the Gulf states can weather this storm. Thank you so much, the CEO there of Doha Bank.